What's up, legends? My name is Liberty V Justice, and there's no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories. Legends, you are worth it. You are listening to Rhythm for Revenue, and we're here to help you get a bigger impact, influence, and income. Okay, with your entertainment. So,
escaping poverty's prison. I finally realized why I was so drained. It's because I wasn't acting like a wealthy person. I was saying, I'm going to be a billionaire, I'm going to be a billionaire, but I was losing myself. I was deluding myself and my power. I wasn't creating much. I was spending all of my time consuming and thinking about consuming, planning my consumption. My prison was made of paper, money. My mind was the prison. Yes, of course, you can find creative ways to save money and eat healthy and even eat hot food super cheap when you don't have a fridge. But instead, why not spend your time creating value for others? Things that will make you more valuable and make them want to pay you for it. Everyone tried to give me sympathy from the time that I stopped trying to hide my homelessness. When it came up and I acknowledged it on my social media, I didn't want sympathy, so I didn't announce it on my media. It's like telling everyone I'm homeless has no purpose. It's not a victory, and it's not an accomplishment, and it doesn't help anybody else, and it's not something that a business does. It's something that someone sitting in front of a business does. It devalues the business. Most people try to avoid it, and the ones who do it only do it once. I wanted to help people. I wanted to serve them. I wanted people to like me because I made them feel good. I didn't want anybody feeling bad. If I made someone feel bad, I couldn't live with myself. It would make me feel bad. And if people gave me money because they felt bad, two things would happen. Number one, I'd stay homeless because it's not guaranteed. It didn't come from my art or my business, and it wasn't quantifiable. And number two, not only was it, this is number one still, not only was it not quantifiable, it wasn't guaranteed, right? So everybody has their guaranteed, their comfortable paycheck. You know, they got that consistency, right? And they got that comfort because they got the paycheck, the cash coming in. But number two, I didn't have that. So, but number two, I felt like if they did give me money one time, you know, it might be $5 or $10 or $20 or whatever. The second thing would happen was I would feel that I owed them, and it made me feel bad because I stayed silent about my real feelings and my real needs. I want money for my work. This is what I really wanted to say to them. I want money for my work, not sympathy money, okay? Money to feed me today isn't teaching me to fish. Plus, the person really didn't care about me. The proof was they didn't care about my YouTube channel, my podcast, my music, or the other work that I do. And they usually never kept in contact with me, or I had to beg them. And once in a while, when they felt like using me because nobody else was available, I jumped for them because they gave me money and I was desperate for it. I needed to eat and my work wasn't paying me. But if I took more time to create instead of feeling so unworthy that I had to jump for people and never say no, or go around acknowledging everyone in person or online and DMing everybody and emailing them and calling and texting them, etc. If I took more time to make my art and my business better, I would feel better and I would accomplish more. And what I created would be better and the people would pay me for it. And I'd create more things, and the things that I would create more great things. And I would feel more accomplished and I would feel more worthy. And then I would attract my tribe, the people who want what I'm giving, the people who are putting into action what I'm giving you and will appreciate me and pay me for it. And then I won't have to worry about money and I won't be fearful. So so it's funny how, we work from the outside in, but it actually works the opposite. We have to put the work in and, without being fearful of, oh my God, I have to jump for them, da da da. But instead of doing that, put the work in now and not be afraid and not be afraid to say no and set boundaries and, turn off your phone, turn off your notifications. People always, why didn't you answer my call? Or people will text me, hello? Or people will DM me, hello? Yeah, hello? We're not on the phone. This is not a live call. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me knocking? I'm knocking on my head right now. Hello, McFly? Hello? We're not on a live call. Hello? Oh, hello? I'm infinite in value just as you are. Hello? Right? So, I know people hate themselves so very much and they don't know how to say no, but I do because I'm worth it. So there you go. Boom, mic drop.
You have been listening to Rhythm for Revenue, and I'm your host, Liberty V. Justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories. Legends, you are worth it. If this episode made you get up and take action, share this with someone else who needs to hear this. We are here to make a bigger impact, influence, and income with our media and teach you to do the same. It would really help us out if you would write a review and share this with your friends. You are worth it, and we can't wait to hear from you.